guys, and welcome to another episode of the Miletus Auto Blog. So today we have a car meet, and Talk Tribe hasn't had any car meet for a while, so I'll take you around and show you what is here. Please, if you're not subscribed to this channel, subscribe so you can see updates and stuff on the channel. So the almighty 5.0 V8 Mustang is around here. Some other cars parked, and yeah, the highlight of the day, the wonderful Talk Tribe members around here. It's been a lovely day, although the weather has been finicky, but we're all good. We'll still come out, you know. What's the opinion? Go. If you're still watching and you're not yet subscribed to the Miletus Auto Blog, what are you waiting for? Subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification button so that you can stay updated on when we drop something new. Remember to like, share, comment on each and every post we have. Thank you to our new subscribers. I love you all, and I'm hoping to see your nice comments. Thank you for sticking around. I beg, if you're not still subscribed, please go and subscribe. Now back to the video. What this is when you Now, driving in a Mustang is definitely something that you guys have to experience a whole lot of G-force. And before some of you come at me and say I am overreacting to the in the video, it's not true. I mean, the experience is pure. These cars are really fast. So right here, right now, the other members of the car community here in Port Harcourt, Talk Tribe, haven't seen Mr. Gray's Honda Accord, the Honey Badger. Now here it is, looking all pretty. So finally we arrived to a second muster point, and at this point we'll be having all the members join us
even the bikers who are willing to go get to look at the cars. We've been here before, first coffee, so we park the cars around just to look at them and appreciate all the builds that have been done. You know, just talk to each other, get along, and that's what the car community has been all about. Just car guys bound by just one thing, cars. You know, and it's amazing. Look at the lovely cars we've got here. Matte black with this finish down here.
About to leave. I might not be talking much because of all the.
Yes, we're having a car meet. Make sure
you don't miss the next one. You subscribe, yeah, subscribe. This is my ride for today. We'll be riding in the CLS 550 and all the other guys together. Come. How many? Go forward. Go forward. And you fall and you run. When you see my big mask, run around, run away. As a rebel comes out, then you fall on me. When you call me, I come. And then you go again. Make him back here. Open your mind to the sound of the trumpet. What do you want from the life of the progress? Now that you are, you're packing and cracking. I want to fly, yeah, I'm flying to morning. Running away to the land of discovery. Running away from the suffering. Thoughts with us today. You ride with Brandon now?
Every not for life now.
Bro, this thing runs, man. Yeah! Oh boy! Oh boy! Top drive! Okay, now I'll show you the goal. Guys, Jude signing out. Thank you for watching. If you're not subscribed to this channel, subscribe to the Miletus Auto Blog. Peace out. We've had fun today. It's been a nice time, you know. All the guys are here. We're packed out, so we want to have barbecue and the rest of everything.
Yeah.